Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I am doing an unboxing and review of the Sennheiser OCX 684i sports headphones. Now I've had a bunch of Sennheiser headphones in the past and I really like them, but my last sports headphones, which had a band style of going around the back of your head, which are a bit like these, which are the ones I bought recently. These are by a company called Mirko, and I've had these for a year, but unfortunately the connection has now gone faulty and the left ear is not working anymore. And these are about $23.99 on Amazon. I love these headphones, very comfortable, did a really good job, but I said unfortunately they're broken now. So I went on to get another pair of these on Amazon, and actually I found that these ones were on there for a lot cheaper. They were well, I say a lot cheaper, they're $21.99, but they're Sennheiser, which are obviously a lot better brand, and they're a sort of loop over style that go over the back of your ear. So I thought I'll give these a shot because it's a little bit cheaper, and actually see if they've got better sound. I imagine they would do, they'll have fairly decent sound because Sennheiser normally do, and I said these ones were slightly more expensive. I always go for wired headphones. If you don't know much about EMFs, the Bluetooth headphones produce a large amount of EMF that go directly into your ear canal, and I've only got this tiny little USB Sony I guess Walkman, if you want to call it that, which has got a bunch of songs on that I like to use at the gym. Don't like to carry anything expensive around like my phone. I don't want to carry my phone around either because I don't want people to get notifications, all that kind of good stuff when I'm at the gym. I just want something that plays music. So this is why I've got wired headphones, not the Bluetooth style. So in here on the back we've got, it just shows you about the loop, what comes inside the package, tells you how they go around your head. And that's pretty much it. And it says here that they are sweat and water resistant, which you expect for a pair of gym headphones, enhanced noise isolation, and comfortable, secure fit. So that's pretty much all I need for the gym. I said I'll leave a link below to both these sets of headphones if you want to check them out. So I had jump cut there because there's quite a lot of cabling and things to get out of the packaging. It was a bit awkward. So what you've got here is some nice rubberized, very flexible piece to go over your ear, and you've got a very decent size cable. Like I said, I normally have my little MP3 player in my pocket, and so I like to run this through my t-shirt effectively. So I've got the cable running through, which is going to be great because this is a nice long cable. And at the end of the cable you've got a gold connector as well. And that's pretty much it for the headphones themselves. And obviously here you've got the focus there, you've got the play plus and minus for the volume and play and pause. So if you've got that plugged into your phone, that'll work really well. It's also got a microphone on there as well, so that's great if you've got it plugged into your phone. And then also included is some instructions, which I'm not too worried about because, you know, I don't think I really need instructions for these. And it also comes with a nice little carry case, which is something I didn't know it came with, which is great. I probably won't really use this because I tend to keep them on my head most of the time. And yeah, it's got like a little rubberized section there, but it's actually a really nice case. So Velcro, pop them in, so if you want to carry it, and also a clip is included. That clip is really useful because all it means is you can put the cable around there and have a bit of a cable management system and actually clip it to your t-shirt or something if it's, you know, if it's floating around, you don't want it flying around. Or if you're using the microphone, that can be quite useful as well. Again, it's something I won't really use because I just took it through my t-shirt. So what I'll do is I'm going to use these headphones for a couple of days, let you know how I feel, let you know how secure they are, if they stay on really well. One thing to bear in mind actually, you can see already that these have kind of got cable and things hanging around them. If you are someone that finds their headphones get tangled easy, you are probably better off with some of these that go around your head, because you'll see here, look, the cable doesn't get trapped around or doesn't get twisted, and they're easy to keep them nice and tidy. So that might be something worth thinking about. I'll leave links below to both these headphones so you can check them out and look at the reviews yourself. Hey everybody, welcome back to the second part of this video. Just wanted to give you my final thoughts really on these headphones. So I've been wearing them for a few weeks now and I'm pleased to say they've been excellent. For $21.99, I don't think you can go wrong for a pair of sports headphones. If you're someone like me that trains a lot, that wants something that's fairly versatile, that's not too expensive and will do the job for when you're at the gym, I think these are great. I tend to hang around upside down a lot at the gym. I do a lot of calisthenics, I do a lot of running. So I need a set of headphones that sound really good, but I can actually interact with the environment really well and they don't fall off and annoy me. And these have been very secure. So they've got a nice fit, so they fit really well around your ear. And actually when you put them in, they've got extremely good noise cancelling. Even now, with them plugged in and no music on, I can hardly hear anything outside. So they're very, very good at blocking out any noise you might have at a gym or where you're running or a busy road. So that's something worth thinking about. Now I use the standard earbuds that came with it. They fit absolutely fine. And I find they're nice and secure, so they don't fall off when you move around. If you even go upside down, they don't fall off. And after a while, especially when you're running for a long period of time, you actually forget you've got them on. So they don't hurt your ears, and they don't seem to press my ears at all as well. They stay in place. I usually find with these sorts of headphones, I have to use the small connection that comes with them to fit in my ears, but I've just used the standard ones and they've kept a nice secure fit. The sound quality is excellent. I mean, obviously that's very kind of, dependent on the sort of music you listen to, and that's it. Everyone's got their own opinion on music and music preference, but the music I listen to, which is kind of a lot of metal guitar-based music, sounds excellent on these. Very, very good clarity. Sennheiser are kind of well known for not having too much kind of super bass, but I found these quite bassy as well, so they give you a nice rich full sound when you're training. And I said, for the price, they're extremely good. The water resistance has been great on them as well, so when you sweat you don't find they slip off. They seem to stay nice and secure. So if you've got any questions or comments, leave them below. Check out the links I've got to Amazon, which is where I got these from, and I'll catch you on the next video.